That's crazy. Morning, it's super bright here. Super snow. Look at this. Going to Walmart by walking. And it's crazy. My nose is already freezing. Look. Everybody is walking. There's not many cars. It's crazy. Got a long walk to Walmart. All the stores are closed here. It's all closed. You can see the car going slow here. Super slow.
Bonjour, slowpoke.
Back just by walking in the snow. I was so slow on the way to Walmart. And on the way back I'm better. So every time you step with your feet you just get your feet stuck in the snow. That's why, but everybody's driving slow here. But we made it back. Going back to the house, watching movies. You don't have any snow, Luke. Look at us.
Yeah, nothing like what we got here. All y'all got's the roads covered. That ain't no snow.
Yeah, look at.
How the heck do y'all get it on the roads, not on the grass?
We're coming back from Walmart. Now we're going home.